Do you use graphics at all in your business? Of course you do. Everybody uses at least some graphics in their business. It's pretty standard these days. How about video? You use video? I know I use video all the time. I'm always doing all kinds of video clips. And well, where do you get them from? Now, if you're like me, you might actually be paying for them because, well, you want to make sure you get good quality stuff, and the good quality stuff usually you got to pay for. What if I told you you could get literally all the content you need for free and pay one time for it and never pay for it again? And on top of that, I'm going to show you how to edit all of it for free. Plus, I'm also going to give you a way to sell video and other services completely for free and actually make money off of this as well. If that sounds good, stay with me. I got something very, very special to tell you about in my review of Stockmojo. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that is because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime, man in the hat.
If you are new to the channel, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because, well, my jokes, they're really, really stale. They're boring. You know, they're as stale as the sandwich I just had. The sandwich and the bread is already stale. It's really annoying, you know, but my jokes are even staler than that. But anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might as well. It's very, very simple. So make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman, you know, he's been doing this thing together with Bart from The Simpsons, and this crazy guy keeps talking about loving crap from some movie. You know, they take turns telling me about their crap, and nobody wants the crap, guys. Nobody. Anyway, but seriously, the way these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here on loving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Musician, scholar, rake, entrepreneur, conspiracy theorist.
No, actually just an entrepreneur. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly, where is Liz Lemon? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Thanks for subscribe. Doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for Stockmojo. This is a new software program from Team Black Belt. Now, I have mixed feelings about Team Black Belt. Some of their stuff is great. Some of their stuff I just really wasn't all that impressed with. This one really impressed me a lot. And there are parts that didn't really impress me, and I'm going to address that in my review, but I want to get to my customers before I do that. So first and foremost, what I'm going to do for you is like this. They actually included a video editor and an image editor. I don't like either of those. Okay, I didn't find them particularly useful. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to show you how to get a free video editor that is much better. And I'm also going to give you my own course on how to use that video editor. It does a lot more than the video editor they recommend. Much, much better quality. Really, really great stuff. And it's also completely for free. And I'm going to give you my course on exactly how to use it. Plus, I'm also going to show you a photo editor that actually can do all kinds of graphic stuff. Again, completely, totally for free. And I'm going to give you a video on how to use that as well, so that you can actually go ahead and start editing things with this tool. Both of them are available completely for free. You don't have to spend a single penny on either of those things. Plus, I'm also going to give you a few other things. I'm also going to give you a set of 100 ebook covers that you can go ahead and edit and use them for whatever content you need. And I'm also going to go ahead and hand you a list of websites that you can actually sell graphics and video content on. So you can actually make money from this as well. They're including a commercial license with this product. Now, if you pick up any upgrade to this product, then I'm also going to be throwing in an addition. Well, first of all, there's also, besides those things, I'm also going to throw in this thing about 15 bonuses that they're letting me give you. So that's going to be all below this video on the sales page. But besides that, if you pick up any upgrade valued at least $20, then I'm also going to throw in a set of done for you video reveal, intro reveal videos that you can actually use with free software to edit and go ahead and sell those things as well. And if you pick up any upgrade, I'm actually going to make you a custom-made video sales letter. Now, this is not some cheap thing that you're going to get for $5 on Fiverr. This is professionally done with a professional voiceover, with professional videos, complete with background music, the whole 9 yards. You're going to get everything included for you with this package totally for free when you pick up any upgrade that is valued at least $200. Okay, so I usually charge $500 for this service. Pick up any upgrade worth at least $200, you're going to get that from me. Pick up any upgrade worth at least $20, you're going to get the intro reveal videos from me as well, included completely, totally for free. And on top of all those things, if you do pick up any upgrade worth at least $20, in addition to the intro to the video intro reveal videos, I'm also going to give you a set of 10 ready to deploy PLR video courses that you can rebrand. These are high quality video courses. And if you pick up at least $200 worth of upgrades, then in addition to making you a custom-made video sales letter, I'm also going to give you my complete set of all of my explainer videos, plus my flagship course, Local Video Jackpot, so you can actually sell that as well. You're going to get all those things included with the package. So let me go ahead and show you the members area real quick over here. So this is the members area. Now, what you can do here, first of all, you can search for images. I actually just used this today. So for example, I went and I was looking for an image for one of my bonus documents. And so I went ahead and looked for an image of a woman pointing. And this is very, very cool. You can see here, it's got endless images. Now, I'm not thrilled with the way that this works, just as far as it goes. You know, it's a little bit hard to find what you're looking for, just because it's kind of giving you very, very tiny previews, but you have endless numbers of images available to work with. And I was actually able to find exactly what I was looking for from this thing. Let me see if I can actually find it right now. Maybe this one. No, not that one. But anyway, I was looking for basically like a beautiful woman. Here it is. This is the one I ended up using. So he's really cool because basically what I was doing with it was I was putting it in my bonus doc to say, hey, if you forgot your upgrades, here they are. And she's kind of staring at you like, hey, did you remember? So it's really cool, great shot that I was able to put in completely, totally for free. That was included with this package. And you can download it in the original high quality, medium, low, whatever. Let's open it in their editor. Again, I'm not a big fan of their editor. I'll show you the editor in just a second. They also have HD videos, so you can search for pretty much whatever you like. So for example, let's say you want to search for money. Go ahead and do that. And so I haven't tried to search for money yet, so I don't know what's going to come up, but yeah, so we're going to see here videos coming up. Somebody counting a whole bunch of $1 bills. Okay, and of course they have other stuff also, you know, something like this, counting out bigger bills, you know, nice and slowly. Bottom line is you have whatever you need pretty much, any kind of images that you like, you're going to have here included with this package for you. Here's euros, more dollars, and Bitcoin, all kind of stuff here. Now they also have something interesting where they have stickers. This is basically like GIFs, similar to what you might find on, for example, Jiffy, and they have HD vectors. Now they do have an image editor and a background removal app. I wasn't impressed with them. You can see here what the image editor looks like. It's kind of a simple editor. It's nice that they have it included, but I'm going to show you a much better quality one that you can use for free that does everything for you. The video editor, basically, it's a download of a software called OpenShot. I'm going to show you a much better software than OpenShot that you can also get for free, and I'm going to show you how to use it completely for free. Now, I think that these are only available with an upgrade, the high quality site templates and WordPress themes. I think those are only available with an upgrade. I'm not sure. So anyway, by the way, if you take a look on my bonus page, you're going to see that I do have a coupon listed. Going to get you an extra $4 off. The price is going to start at $16.95. You take the $4 off, and that is actually going to give it to you for was $12.95 for everything you see here, plus all of my bonuses. So that's going to get you a really, really good deal. It is going to be on a dime sale, or so they tell me that you never know. Sometimes they change things, but it's supposed to be on a dime, so it's going to go up a penny every hour. So do try to get in as early as you possibly can. So let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you the man. I really do like this a lot. There are a couple of things I wasn't so impressed with. Like I said, I didn't find their editors to be super sophisticated. You can use them if you want to. There's nothing wrong with them. I just didn't care for them that much. But I'm going to show you much better quality stuff that you can use completely for free online anywhere in the world. And yeah, this one is great for $12.95. You really can't go wrong. This is great. Grab it. You're going to love it.